Morning sun does rise so bright, whisper soft in morning light. In the trees and sky so blue, all creation sings of you. In the flowers gentle dance, leaves that sway a perfect chance to see your glory in this place. Feel your mercy and your grace. Oh, I see your wonders, Lord, in each blossom, in each word, in the people everywhere. Feel your love within the air. Mountains tall and rivers wide, show your strength and power inside. In each heart and every soul, you make broken spirits whole. Let me love more every day. In your path, please guide my way. Through your wonders I am sure, in your love I'm never alone. I see your wonders, Lord, in each blossom, in each word, in the people everywhere.